There are many 1800s blast furnaces all over Appalachia. Appalachia is rich in iron ore. These furnaces supplied the mountains with iron to make tools, pots, and pans, many more things as well. I've covered a few of these in previous videos, but an amazing supporter left a comment about today's furnace. Appalachia, the mountains are like no other. From its rigid terrain and beautiful wildlife to the people that live their lives here, to the strange, unexplained stories that folks share. Join me while I share this amazing place, one story at a time. The Eliza Furnace is located in Indiana County, Pennsylvania, in the Blacklick Creek Valley. David Ritter and his partner built the furnace in 1846. Ritter and his partner bought several thousand acres of land. They chose to build the iron furnace near the forks of the Blacklick Creek. Thomas Devereaux, a mason, built the furnace. The furnace is a pyramid shape made from unmortared sandstone blocks. It stands 32 foot tall. The hollow interior is 9 foot in diameter, and there is a hot blast exchanger on the top protected by a chimney. The blast furnace is heated by a water wheel powered leather bellows. The Eliza furnace was one of the first to use the hot blast method. The charging bridge to the furnace, where the iron ore, charcoal, and limestone was fed into the top, is no longer in existence. It was lost to deterioration years ago. The iron was loaded onto a wagon and taken to Nineveh or Johnstown, then moved to the Pennsylvania Canal to Pittsburgh. In 1848, Eliza Furnace produced 1,000 tons of iron. The furnace was an average size operation with 90 men and boys and 45 horses and mules. There was an iron master, office clerk, a founder. There were fillers, guttermen, molders, and colliers. The furnace covers 231 acres. Eliza Furnace was an impressive operation, but they couldn't make a profit. It was costly to ship the iron overland, and the poor quality of the local iron ore and lowered prices on the iron itself. And outdated technology was another reason, but it also hurt because the Pennsylvania Railroad refused to go through the area. By June of 1848, Ritter was in bad financial trouble, and by July, the sheriff seized the furnace and auctioned it off. Solomon Alter and Joseph Replier bought the 1,000 acres and the furnace. The furnace was never put back into operation again, and it sat until 1965 when the Pennsylvania Railroad gave the furnace to the Cambria County Historical Society. Indiana County Parks leases the furnace and the grounds from the Historical Society, allowing citizens to come and visit and enjoy the amazing history today. Well, folks, I want to thank you for sitting and listening to the tale and the story, sitting and listening to the history of the Eliza furnace. Well, I appreciate you listening. I love you to pieces, and I'll see you next time.